Automated emails sent from TRAFFIT can be truly personalized. What exactly can you personalize? All the data available in your candidate profile. You can use all the fields from your candidate profile as variables in your email templates. These are the fields from your candidate profile. You can use them in this template for both manual emails and automated communication. So let's say I'm creating an email template where I'm thanking the candidate for delivering the recruitment task. I'm starting with, "Hi," and here I put the candidate's name. "Thank you for submitting the recruitment task. We need more than 2 working days to review it. You'll be contacted at phone number to determine the next steps." Each of your templates can retrieve any variables from the candidate profile. You have to admit that this is quite an improvement and time saver.